इंडियन इकोनॉमी के लेटेस्ट नंबर्स रिलीज हो गए हैं and we are here to break them down for you. In this video, we're going to look at 5 major points: India's economic growth, the manufacturing industry, the employment market, agriculture and services, and global trade. Let's begin. According to the latest economic survey, India recorded a 7.4% real GDP growth in FY26, thus becoming the fastest growing major economy for the fourth consecutive year, and this momentum continues with 6.8 to 7.2 growth projected for FY 2027. इस growth के पीछे है rising confidence. Private consumption grew to 7%, touching 61.5% of the GDP, the highest since 2012. And at the same time, gross fixed capital formation rose by 7.8%, holding steady at 30% of the GDP. Globally, now India is seen as an oasis of economic performance. Let's move on to manufacturing. Manufacturing industries expanded by 9.13% in Q2 of FY26. Under the PLI scheme, 2 lakh crore investments created 12.6 lakh jobs. Electronic production grew at a 17.5% CAGR rate, while 10 new semiconductor projects worth 1.6 lakh crore rupees were approved. Steel production rose by 4.6% and auto sales jumped by 12.5%, making India reach the 30th rank in the Global Innovation Index. Moving on to the employment side of things, 56.2 crore people were employed in Q2 of FY26, with 8.7 lakh new jobs added every quarter. Manufacturing alone added over 10 lakh jobs in FY24, and the e-Shram portal now has 31 crore workers, 54% being women. Gig workers are now officially recognized with Social Security. 1,000 ITIs are being upgraded, and the digital platform NCS connects 59 million job seekers with 5.3 million employers. Moving on to farms and services. A historic shift has happened. Horticulture production reached 362.08 MT, overtaking food grains for the first time ever. Food grains output touched 3,577.3 LMT, rising by 254.3 LMT. Services now contribute 55.3% to GVAs, and service export hit $387.6 billion. That is a growth rate of 13.6%. And now, on the digital agricultural front, ENAM has onboarded 1.79 crore farmers across 1,522 mandis. Last but not the least, when we look outside of India, our exports tell a strong story. Merchandise export shares doubled from 1% to 1.8% between 2005 and 2024. Our foreign direct investments rose by 17.9% to $55.6 billion. The Forex reserves touched $701.4 billion, covering 11 months of imports, and inflation averaged at just 1.7, the lowest it has ever been. Remittance stayed high at $135.4 billion. Overall, the message is very clear. The strong growth, rising jobs, record exports, stable inflation. India in 2026 is showing resilience, confidence, global leadership, and positioning itself as a long-term growth engine, even during uncertain times. What stood out to you the most? Share your thoughts below, and do these trends match what you're seeing on the ground? Comment below, and make sure you subscribe to Kotak Neo's YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media platforms.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.